Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new chapter, that is sets. So what are sets? So sets are the group of objects, or you can say any well-defined collection of objects is called a set. What do we mean by well-defined? By well-defined, we means that it should be accepted by everyone and there should be no doubt in it. Like the days in a week. So, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in the week, and it is a fixed number and it is accepted by everyone else. Similarly, collection of all the vowels in the English alphabets. So, everyone knows how many vowels are there in the English alphabets, and it is a fixed number and it is accepted by everyone, and there is no doubt in it. Other example is the month in a year. So how many months are in the year? There are 12 months in the year. Everyone knows it and it is accepted by everyone. So these are all well defined, means that is a fixed number. Like the number of students of your class. So how many students are there in your class? It is a fixed number. It can't be changed. So it is well defined. And what is not well defined? Like number of strong students of your class. So it is not well defined because it is not accepted by everyone in the same way, because everyone thinks in other way, that who is strong or who is not. So these are not well defined. Now we are going to see the operations on sets. What are the operations on sets? First we see, here I have written if A is equals to A, B, C, D, E and F. These are called the elements of the sets. What is written under the curly braces or curly bracket? A, B, C, D, E and F. मिडिल ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो भी लिखे हैं उन्हें हम एलिमेंट्स बोलते हैं. Now we see the operations. First operation is union of sets. So how can we write union? This sign is called union. A union B. So we have to write A union B according to these two sets. So A B C D E F and A E I O U. So we have to write A B C D E F I O U. We haven't write A and E because this is common in both the sets. We just have to write what is uncommon, that is A union B. Similarly, in second question, if A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and B is equals to 0, 2, 3, 6, 7, 12, 18 and 19. So we have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 18 and 19. 12, 18 and 19. These are uncommon. Now the intersection. Intersection means the common. हमें वो चीज़ें लिखनी हैं जो दोनों में ही कॉमन हो, that are common in both the sets. Like A is equals to A, B, C, D, E and F and B is A, E, I, O, U. Then this sign is intersection sign, A intersection B. So what is common in both the terms? A is common and E is common. B, C, D and I, O, U are different. So we just have to write A and E. Similarly, in second question, if A is equals to 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24 and B is 6, 12, 18 and 24. So we have to write A intersection B. So we have to check what is common in both the terms. 6 is common, 12, 18 and 24 are common. Rest are uncommon. So we have to write only what are common in both the terms, that is A intersection B.